Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download the OnStream app for iOS and Android. So this is a really cool app because you can watch movies. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So what you want to do is go over to hexmods.com. So this is the website. So let me just type it in. So once you're on this site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in OnStream. And then it should come up at the bottom probably. I don't know. Let's see. If it's down there in the depths, yeah, it is. But if you type the whole name of the app, you won't have to deal with this issue. But as you can see, here it is. So I'm going to press the download button. So before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So what you have to do is download 2 apps, follow instructions, 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, we are now brought to the verification page. And we just have to download 2 of these apps. So it doesn't have to be the same ones as me, but just make sure you get 2 of them. So like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. Then we got like Travel Town, you got to reach level 9. TikTok down and run for 30 seconds. So there's a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how to get the OnStream app for your device. So it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. So if you are interested in having this on your device, be sure to check this out because it's actually working, guys. So yeah, try it out right now. It's just super cool. So that's how I get it for your device. Bro, who even thought of this? Like, it actually works. Can you believe that? That they have a real way to get the OnStream app. There's also this tutorial you can watch if you're confused. So yeah, it's super simple. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is fully working, guys, and it's super cool. So yeah, there you go. hexmods.com. That's where you got to be to download this. So try it out for yourself, guys. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you in another video, but yeah, if this one works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you in another one, and peace out. It's how to get OnStream.